In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call using Go High Level. This tutorial will provide you with the steps you need to effortlessly make calls through the Go High Level platform. Let's dive right into it to ensure your communication process is as smooth and efficient as possible. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This is the one you most often use to surf the internet, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another. Once you have your browser open, navigate to the search bar and type in Go High Level. This will lead you to the platform's website, which is the starting point for making your calls. The next step is to select the website www.gohighlevel.com from the search results. This is the official website where we can access all the features offered by Go High Level. Once on the site, you'll need to log in. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed, but our focus today is on calling, so we'll assume you have one. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is the central hub for all your tasks and activities. From here, direct your attention to the Contacts tab, which holds all the contacts you have in the Go High Level system. Your task now is to select the contact you want to call. Simply browse through your list or use the search function for quicker access. Once you find your contact, click on their name to open their contact page. Now that you're on the contact page, you're ready to get into the call process. Look around the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see a lightning or phone icon. This icon is your gateway to initiating a call. Click on it to bring up the call options available to you. Once you've accessed the call options, you'll see a call button either directly on the contact page or within the conversation window if you're already chatting with them. Click this call button, which will open up the call dialer. Here, you have the option to enter a number manually or just go ahead and call the selected contact. After entering the number or selecting the contact you want to call, click the call icon. This will place your outbound call and connect you directly with the contact. That's all there is to it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to make calls using Go High Level efficiently. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll soon master the process, making your communication seamless and professional. Thank you for watching, and happy calling.